Hi everyone, Angie Hunt here. I'm back in the LDRS studio and I'm here to give you sneak peek number 2 for our November 6th HSN show. It's coming up really quick, so make sure you mark your calendar, November 6th. Don't have the times just yet, but as soon as I have them, I will get them posted for you. So let's get on to our sneak peek reveal. I don't know how many of you love flowers. I love flowers. I have flowers all over outside, all over in the flower beds, all during summer, all during spring. Absolutely love them. And I was so excited when this next set came before me because I think you're going to love it. You're going to get to make your own floral arrangements. And it is fun and gorgeous and easy. Check these out. Aren't these beautiful? The first one that I want to show you in detail is this one. It's called Love and Smell the Roses. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. You're going to get a full stamp set. It's a clear stamp set. Oh, glare there. Clear stamp set in the back. And you're going to get all of these dies as well. So you're going to get to make your own custom floral arrangements. You can make these however you want them to look, ladies. Not only can you make your own arrangements, but you can also color them to your heart's content. Let me show you how these work. This is so gorgeous. I think you guys are really going to flip over this. These are by far my favorite florals I have seen on the market yet. I challenge you to find something as gorgeous as these. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. All the gorgeous detail. This is all done just with clear stamps. And we've got this sentiment right here. It just says love. Simple as that. You don't need to put anything else. Watch this. These sets are so carefully designed so that, let me bring this back up here. Notice we have different sized sentiments. We have the big love sentiment right here, and then we have all these small little sentiments here. You can mix and match those so that you can actually create your own sentiments. How amazing! I love that. So you're not going to be stuck with just whatever we decide to give you. You can kind of mix and match those, and they're sized so perfectly. Look at that one. Love, happy anniversary. This particular flower here was not, it wasn't even colored in. This was just stamped and embossed and quick color on the leaves. That's it. And look, we've even popped it up so you've got dimension on your card. How gorgeous. Watch the inside of this. Look how pretty. Love it. Let me show you a couple more of these. Gorgeous blues. Oh my goodness. These roses are just amazing. Look, that's even glittered. So pretty. Look at this arrangement. Coming right out of the corner of that card. How beautiful. We've got two of those smaller sentiments on here. It says, your love makes me strong. Perfect. Absolutely lovely. Watch the inside. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, come on now. Geez, oh Pete. I want to show you this one because I absolutely love these flowers. Love, love, love. And this one is called If Friends Were Flowers. And so we have the big friend. We have the, you can't really see it on the back, but I'll show you when we're on television on the 6th. You'll get to see it. And then you have all these beautiful little detailed mini sentiments that, again, you can mix and match. They go perfectly with friend. They're sized the same as the roses, the Love Roses set, so you can mix and match between these sets as well. Keep that in mind. You're going to want both of these sets because they're amazing. Look at that. How beautiful. Gorgeous purple, sending a big hello. I love that. I mean, come on now. Seriously? If I got this card in the mail, this is something I would send to my best friend. Actually, if you're watching, don't be surprised if you get this one in the mail because I love it. Sorry. I think I may have just given something away there. Look at that. We've gone from purple to orange and blue. I mean, how stunning is this for fall? Ladies, you can make these flowers work with any season. Look how beautiful. For Valentine's Day, thinking of you. Look how pretty. How pretty. All right, I'm just going to keep showing you because I love these. Look at greens and blues and pinks. I love these. You can't go wrong with these. Couple more. I mean, really? Seriously. You can arrange these however you want. The dies, I don't know if you can see this, but each one of these flowers is cut out because these sets come with dies that cut all the images out for you. So they're going to cut out your flowers, they're going to cut out your leaves so that you can layer them up and arrange them however you want. Your own custom floral arrangements. Look, ladies, honestly, oh my goodness. I'm almost speechless when it comes to these two sets. I've seen floral sets out there. I haven't seen anything quite like these. These are absolutely amazing. I'm so excited about them. I hope that you love them. I hope that you love them enough to get in the running for our giveaway, because we're going to give away both of these. 1, 2. You're going to get the friend and you're going to get the love. All you have to do is leave a comment below. I want you to tell me what your favorite flower is, because you know what? We might just do a set just based on what you tell us in the future. I think you're going to love these. I think you're going to want to see more. So in the comments below, tell me what type of flower is your absolute favorite. I leave on the 4th. The shows are on November 6th. I leave on the 4th. We're going to announce the winner. You're going to get in the running by leaving your comment. We're going to choose one winner. We're going to announce it on the 3rd. I'll put it on, we'll put it on YouTube. We'll let you know. We'll put it on our Facebook group. You can even leave your comment in our Facebook group. And then on the 3rd, we're going to announce it. I leave on the 4th. I come back right after the show, and we're going to ship out the prize to the winner at that time. So make sure you get in the running. You don't want to miss these. In case you're not the winner, make sure to watch on November 6th. I will be putting the times out there for y'all to see. And that, I think, concludes our sneak peeks. We've got 2 big shows for you guys coming up on November 6th, and I can't wait to see you there. I'm so excited about both of these. I really think you're going to love both of our new collections, and they're absolutely fantastic and the best products that you could add to your crafting kits. So I'm going to get going for now, and I'm going to get ready for the shows, and I'm going to see you on November 6th. Bye, ladies.